Hello everyone, this is Ropan from Mactown and let's jump right into the video. So today I'll show you a method, a very short but an effective method through which you can increase or boost your PC speed to a very in a very positive manner. First of all, click Windows plus R, type clean mgr on the run window, click on OK. Choose the drive you want to clean. Let's stay with the C drive as it is a Windows drive. Click on OK. Do not choose any other icons or any other files because we only want to clean the default files, which are thumbnails, download, temporary files, and it might differ from system to system. So I won't select any other file. Let's stay with the default one. Click on OK. Are you sure I want to permanently delete this file? Click on delete files, temporary internet thumbnails, and it's done. So this was a very short but an effective method. So this would be a series of videos. I'll try to post more and more videos regarding this PC, increasing the boosting of speed and all. So guys, keep supporting. Do subscribe my channel. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you didn't, lol, there is no dislike button. Till then, bye bye.